Hello everybody. Today we are discussing the milestone-based certified partner program, who this is for and how you can really elevate your earning, your brand with this platform. So let's dive right in. The quick agenda for today. First of all, we'll discuss the earning opportunity with this unique certified partner program. We'll delve into milestone-based, the problems of startup industry that milestone-based is focused on tackling, the vision of the future and the movement that we are forming around milestone-based, its features, and we will end with the in-depth review on how and why it's worth for you to build your business on milestone-based. First of all, quickly about the platform, it's something that has been ideated in 2017, launched in 2019. It's a platform for startup and investor engagement and collaboration in Web3, but also like in Web2 space. So if you're in a tech startup entrepreneurship, this is the great fit for you. Now, speaking about the platform partnership opportunity now. So with milestone-based, you can build your successful advisory business, and you can open the entire new line of your advisory business with your own affiliate network, startup, and VC clientele using the platform. This certified partnership program is best suited for key opinion leaders, community managers, serial mentors, advisors, someone who runs the acceleration and incubation programs and is deeply connected and deeply enrooted into the startups ecosystem within your own industry and are really passionate about startups. Here is the business in terms of the numbers. We are offering 30% affiliate fees on every transaction that a user is performing on the platform in terms of the recurring fees. Just to remind, the milestone-based platform is leveraging the freemium model. So plenty of the features are to be used for free, but as long as you want to use any extra features that are helping you with the visibility, with the promotion, with the enterprise grade usage and support, these are premium features that platform is charging the users for and is splitting the revenues with the affiliates and certified partners who have brought those users on the platform. Now, a really unique thing about certified partnership program is that you can build your own network of affiliates and you are able to generate 10% commission of the volume that your affiliate network has been producing on the platform. And if you know how networks scale and how through the network you can really achieve incredible numbers over time, then you will probably focus on this aspect the most. Now, as a certified partner, you have access to the things that other types of partnerships are not offering. So, for example, we have the simple affiliate program that is not offering these things. But you as a certified partner will have access to the private events and opportunities. For example, we are kicking off the private events once in a while. Mempool Reload, arrange on a private island once a year is one of them. You'll also have access to the knowledge base, and there is a membership fee incurred for the certified partners. Now, let's do some math together. If you are able to bring on 10 really successful affiliates for your own affiliate network on milestone-based, you will generate around $90,000 per year. In case if each of your successful affiliates is generating you about $9,000 in annual revenue, right? So it all depends on how involved your affiliates are, whether they are the right affiliates, and whether you've decided to put enough effort to build this affiliate network. I can tell you right away that it does require a serious intention on your end and a disciplined and methodical work on driving the affiliates and nurturing the network. In addition to that, you're able to make 27 grand on affiliate activities So all in all, this is totaling your potential earnings to $117,000 per year. This, of course, once again, it requires the commitment, and we only encourage you to apply for the certified partnership program if you are really ready for it and ready for the long haul. Let's move on now. Let's discuss the industry problems for a little bit. So there are a few things that where the industry of early stage startups is inefficient. First of all, funding is hard. We know that in many cases it takes founders the full-time involvement to raise capital, and we are aimed at really changing that. Secondly, there is the lack of transparency, and this is the vicious loop. So this lack of transparency and like lack of the incremental funding is creating this hardships in actually like getting funded. The features of the platform are, uniting. I think this is like the most sophisticated and complete set of features that a startup would need for an investor engagement. First of all, it's all about the profile, exposure, and data room that is unlike anything else in terms of you being able to fill out all the information and driving the next steps from the investors versus other platforms or data room providers that will not, help you creating that level of engagement with the potential investors, advisors, and everybody else. Secondly, the roadmap and planning. We thought, okay, why not creating a tool where the high-level road mapping can be created in a way that all the stakeholders would understand what is happening, what the plan is, and be able to engage and align around that plan. And then governance. So the voting system that milestoneBased offers is enabling the proper engagement of the stakeholders into the project that, once again, is just driving trust, transparency, and the alignment of interests. Now, lastly, we are focused on the social network element as well, because both startups, investors, and advisors want to interact and want to expose their brand, build their brand on top of milestoneBased. And we understand how the inefficiencies of the existing social networks can be really like avoided and mitigated on milestoneBased. Now, the movement that we are forming in our future vision is that the interest between investors and startups have to be aligned to the most fullest extent. There has to be a simple access to capital, and this access is created through trust and transparency. And there has to be a next level in terms of the startup's efficiency using AI, using the sharing of knowledge, using the sharing of actionable items, and the true engagement between startups, investors, and advisors. Now, so hopefully you are sold on the promise of milestoneBased and the value that is delivering for startups. Now, let's discuss how and why you should consider building your business as a certified partner. First of all, it's a lot about the recurring revenue streams with startups that I have already covered earlier in this video. Secondly, you are able to build the network of affiliates which you are already also aware of. What's important as well is that we understand you want to build your personal brand because your personal brand matters. And the issue with the existing social media is that they are saturated. The algorithms for the display are unclear, and we want to build the social network where your brand is actionable. Your time as an advisor is super expensive and pricey, and we want to make sure that every of your interactions on the platform is adding to your personal brand, adding to your revenues, and we'll show you later how to do this. Now, you can also create better startup success for your projects, as well as drive more advisory roles. So I encourage you to enroll with milestone-based certified program today by clicking this link or just scanning the QR code. I'm really excited. I hope you're excited as much as we are. And we look forward to talking to you and working together on your success on milestone-based. Cheers now.